Maat 845. Welcome to another day's episode. Magic in broader light. Magic shifting the mindset, shifting the mentality of our people, shifting the posture and position of our people, their fortune and their future, their destiny and their destination. This is done with magic. Our ancient father did it with magic. Correctly pronounced Maat. Magic. It's not magic. Magic is blood magic, as you can see here. That is not what we do. Or black magic, as black as this. That is not what we do. Okay, what we do is it's not white magic or white magic either. But this is light magic at its best. The magic practiced by eternal Egypt. Pay careful attention. There's a reason why you're here. In a few minutes you will understand. Often we hear it being said, think and grow rich. You go online, you see it. Books are being written, think and grow rich. And many believe that it is very, very difficult for our own people to think. It's very, very difficult for us to think in an environment of noise and distractions and influences and so on. You see, in that way, most of us maintain a passive posture, or rather a docile and complacent posture. But today, how about us adding another touch of excellence to it? Thank and grow rich. Something tells me that it will be easier for our people to begin to thank and grow rich than for them to begin to think and grow rich. And that is why we are introducing this very platform here. Because when you are blind and you see yourself that you have begun to see clearly, it is not going to be difficult for you now to begin to thank and grow rich. That is the reason why we planted this very message here. Today the slogan is thank and grow rich. It's one of the key structures of this whole Mahat, which is to plant the teas in our presence. You're wondering whose voice are you hearing? This is the voice of LTB Live Premier Member #1, COACHEMEN, reaching you live and direct. Today is the 845th day in this very journey. We have been doing it from day one and up to today, doing it in broader light. An opportunity for our own people to begin to see fine grain at its best and to begin to remove all the chaffs. An opportunity to see our people to see fresh apple at its best, and an opportunity to begin to remove all the rotten apples. Coach Emin presiding and doing it. Today's warfare is against that very destroyer that come and change our testimony, to come and make us to live in poverty. We are saying no to it. This 845th day Maat is forever and ever to remind us that our testimony can be able to raise us up to become successful, to begin now to live in abundance, okay, to attract a level of affluence unequaled, no different from the level of affluence our own ancestors lived under. My heart, remember them, our great fathers, Amenhotep, men whose hands, everything that they touched became gold. Today, your words, your testimony will now be turned into gold. Okay, you're welcome. The LTB Light member that sent you this very message has recognized the unique movement all across our world. Families are being touched, people are being touched, households are being touched. Okay, and maybe today is your first time of coming here. You're welcome. If you've been here with us all this while, following our trails, have you done the right thing to do? If you have not done the right thing to do, pay careful attention. This is a historic call now for you to begin to change your fortune on it. Follow successful people, and you too become successful on it. And live in affluence. And follow great mentors and begin to build what they are building, and you too live richly on it. Begin now to change your own destiny with your own hands, because your destiny is now in your hands. There's a link that is provided right here below this very video. We are not fighting against any man or any woman, any land, any nation, but we are fighting against the destroyer that brought in the plague of poverty against our people. Poverty is such because it is difficult for our own people to think. Poverty is such because of the problems our own people are under. They cannot be able to think or think clearly. But today, we are here to give them a new testimony, a brand new testimony, and they tell them that with their testimony in their mouth, in their hands, in the highways, in the byways, in the Broadway, in the narrow gates, in the plains, in the high hills, with their testimony going before them, because their life has been touched. Their life is beginning to change. You can now begin to enjoy affluence on earth. We have done noble to this very this message, and don't forget the unique feature of this very program is that it's 10 key, 10 exercises, spiritual exercises, Maat exercises. Okay, and you are going to download it and begin to read the very Bible that the best of the best, the richest of the richest, the bravest, the greatest is reading. Okay, it's not the Tower of Babel. Do you know what the Tower of Babel is? The Bible. Okay, you can see it. Deliver us from blood guiltiness, oh God. Deliver us from darkness. You can see it right here. It's not what we are using. We are bringing out above ground the treasures of your own ancestors that was hidden. Okay, and giving you that very key to unlock the chambers and the lodge and enter bravely. Okay, be courageous and do the right thing. Okay, download it today. Start now. If you want to stand like a star, you have to start now. Start today to begin to do these exercises. They are very important. Okay, I'm going to sign off now. Remember, it's a 1001 day magic embroidered light here, right here. Okay, in this very channel. And once again, at the end of this very video, remember to subscribe to this channel and like it and promote it. Okay, plant it here online to live forever and ever. Cherish it and preserve it, and it shall be well with us. Thank you. Go right now and begin to ask for God.